Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to talk to you about shade and how to manage it in your lawn. As the sun gets lower in the sky in winter, the amount of sunlight your lawn receives decreases. But how much shade can your lawn tolerate generally, and what can you do about it? As most lawns are installed as part of a new construction or part of a renovation, shade can often be overlooked as newly planted shrubs and trees aren't big enough to cause an issue just yet. The other thing to keep in mind is with most new housing estates now, the blocks are small and the houses are big, so shade from neighbouring buildings becomes an issue. Managing shade may require routine pruning of trees and bushes to allow as much sunlight as possible onto your lawn. Avoid overwatering, as shade can prevent the quick evaporation of dew and surface water, and prolonged dampness can cause disease issues in grass. Only irrigate shaded areas when absolutely necessary. When mowing, never cut more than 1/3 of the leaf off the leaf blade. It can be best in shady areas to remove clippings to allow as much light as possible to reach the soil. The amount of shade can vary from seasons and the aspect of your lawn to buildings. Given that, it helps from the outset to choose the correct turf variety, such as Sir Walter DNA certified or Sir Grange, to help your lawn thrive in areas of heavy shade. Even the most shade tolerant lawn varieties still need at least 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight a day to survive. If your area is getting less than that, you may have to consider some alternatives. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit jimboombaturf.com.au.